Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through step-by-step process on how to log in Big Lots credit card. First step is to open your browser. Now after opening your browser, click on the search engine and type in Big Lot credit cards. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. This is the homepage of Big Lots website. Here on the top navigation bar, you can see a human icon. Click on it. Now here you have two options, sign in and create an account. If you don't have an account, you can click on create an account to register your account. Now click on sign in to log in. Here you need your email address and your password. So type in your email. Now type in your password. If you want to change your password, you can click on this link. And if you want your password after signing up in the store, you can click on this link. Now click on sign in, and following the simple steps, you are now able to log in Big Lots credit card. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.